Sam clutched the ancient map, its edges frayed and stained with what looked suspiciously like dried blood. "Forbidden forest," he whispered, tracing the ominous words with a trembling finger. His friend Lena, ever the pragmatist, scoffed. "Superstitions, Sam. Old wives' tales." But Sam felt a pull, a dark magnetism emanating from the parchment. Beside him, Eclipse, a sleek black cat with eyes like burning embers, twitched its tail, seemingly sensing the same energy. Their journey began at twilight. The forest's edge was a curtain of shadows, the air thick with the scent of damp earth and decaying leaves. Twisted trees clawed at the sky, their branches gnarled like skeletal fingers. Lena's skepticism wavered with every rustle in the undergrowth, every snap of a twig. Eclipse, however, seemed at home, a silent guide weaving effortlessly through the gloom. Deeper they ventured, into a realm of perpetual twilight. Glowing fungi illuminated their path, casting an eerie light on the ruins of a forgotten civilization. Stone statues, eroded by time and weather, seemed to watch them with hollow eyes. The air grew colder, the silence heavier, broken only by the occasional chilling howl in the distance. They encountered creatures born of nightmare, glowing-eyed beasts that slithered through the mist, their forms indistinct yet menacing. Lena's fear was palpable, but Sam, fueled by a strange determination, pressed onward. Eclipse, surprisingly, seemed to frighten them away, its very presence radiating a palpable aura of power. Finally, they reached it, a crumbling castle, its towers piercing the misty sky like skeletal fingers. The air thrummed with an unnatural energy. Inside, the castle was a labyrinth of echoing halls and dusty chambers. Ancient symbols, glowing faintly, adorned the walls, hinting at forgotten rituals and dark magic. Deep within the castle, they found it, the Shadow Stone, nestled within a stone altar. It pulsed with an inner light, a captivating yet terrifying power. As Sam reached for it, a spectral figure emerged from the shadows, its eyes burning with malevolent intent. A battle ensued, a clash of light and shadow, courage and fear. Lena, surprisingly brave, fought alongside Sam, wielding a makeshift weapon with fierce determination. In the end, it was Eclipse who turned the tide. With a sudden burst of energy, the cat unleashed a wave of darkness that engulfed the spectral figure, banishing it back into the shadows. Sam claimed the Shadow Stone, its power now tempered by their combined courage. Their return journey was less fraught with peril. The forest seemed less threatening, the shadows less menacing. Back in the world of sunlight and laughter, the Shadow Stone was safely hidden, its power contained. Sam and Lena, forever bonded by their adventure, shared a knowing look, and Eclipse, the shadowy guardian, remained by Sam's side, a silent testament to their perilous journey into the heart of darkness.